As remote work becomes more common, there are more ways than ever to make money from home. There are many ways to make money without leaving the house. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways in which you can make money from home. Let's go! You can sell your used and unwanted items. When you clean and clear out your home, you'll probably have piles of things you no longer need or use. You can make a little extra money by selling things online that are still in good shape. There are a lot of online markets where people can buy and sell a wide range of goods. eBay is a popular online place to sell almost anything used. Some sites are more focused, like ThreadUp, which only sells clothes, or Declutter, which sells cell phones, tech, CDs, DVDs, games, and books. If you want to sell things close to home, you could use sites like Craigslist, have a garage sale, or take your things to a consignment store. Starting a podcast is another great way to share your knowledge with people who don't live near you. To be successful with a podcast, you need to find a specific niche and then make great content to attract more listeners. You might have to do some research to learn how to make, edit, and market a podcast, but it's a good idea to think about if you're an expert on a certain subject. Even though it can take a while to build an audience for your podcast, there are several ways to make money with them, such as selling advertising time, adding affiliate marketing links, selling subscriptions, hosting live events, crowdfunding, selling merchandise, giving speeches, or teaching others how to host a podcast. It used to be easy to make money on YouTube by uploading great content, getting millions of views, and getting a cut of the money from ads. Now, people who make content have more ways than ever to make money from it. This can be done through advertising, corporate sponsorship from a big brand, fan funding, or sales of merchandise. Popular ways to make money on YouTube include getting paid for ad views, running paid promotions, and joining the YouTube Partner Program. If you have a website, social media account, or some other way to reach people, you can make some extra money by adding affiliate links. Affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's products and get a cut of the sales. One common way is to put a link to another company's website or product in your own content. If a reader clicks on your link and buys the product, you get a cut of the sale. The Amazon Associates program is a well-known affiliate network. You can find other affiliate marketing opportunities on sites like CJ Affiliate, Rakuten Linkshare, ShareASale, and many more. As more people start working from home, the need for virtual assistants is likely to keep growing. Virtual assistants, or VAs, help with administrative tasks while working from home. They can work for individuals, groups, or companies. A typical day for an administrative assistant includes answering the phone and taking messages, managing social media accounts, setting up meetings, and doing research, among other things. When you first start your VA business, it can be hard to get your first client. VAs can find clients through social media channels like LinkedIn or Facebook groups, at online or in-person networking events, through word of mouth, or on freelancing platforms like Upwork. You can make money online from home by selling your photos, videos, vectors, and drawings. People and businesses can buy your content to use on their websites, platforms, or for other needs. You can try putting your work on sites like iStock, Dreamstime, and Adobe Stock. If you know a lot about something, you might want to make resources to teach others. Once you've put in the work to create the content, it can bring in money without you having to do anything. People often share information through online courses, webinars, and ebooks. You can build and promote the resources on your own, or you can use a platform like Udemy or Skillshare that already has a community. Online marketplaces like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork are used by many freelancers and clients to find each other. You can list your services on these sites and see what other options are out there. You can do freelance work in many different areas, such as writing and editing, marketing, graphics and design, programming, and translation. Growing your business takes time, and you'll probably need to put together more than one way to make money. Find ways to combine different ways to make money into your business plan. For example, you may be most interested in making money through vlogging, but you may also make money through affiliate marketing and an online course you made that teaches others how to build their own YouTube channel. There are many ways to make money from home, so don't be afraid to try different things to find the one that works best for you. We have come to the end of today's video. Do you know other ways to make money from home? Let me know them in the comment section below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. Don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified of new videos immediately. Thanks for watching.